What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a bit of a different one. It's not going to be about the cars. Well, it kind of is, but not really. It's going to be about some other things that I wanted to address, that I wanted to tell you guys about and just update you on. So if you guys are new to my channel, this is my 2023 G80 M3. I also have a few other cars that I feature on the channel, but like I said, this video is not going to be about this car or any of the other cars. It's going to be about something bigger, something that I wanted to update you guys on. But before we get into that, I'm going to try to sit down for this because I don't like standing all the time, you know? This way you guys can hang out with me. Anyways, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you guys, because if you guys didn't know, I recently hit 10,000 subscribers on my channel. 10,000 people saw my videos and are like, hey, I want to see more of this, and they hit that button, which is pretty freaking cool. I started this YouTube channel like 2 years ago, had no idea where it was going to go, if it was going to go anywhere at all, if I'm being totally honest with you guys. Kind of just did it because I like cars, and I like working on cars, I like YouTube, and I like watching YouTube videos, so I figured, you know what, I'll work on my own cars and make some videos out of it. And now here we are, 10,000 subscribers later. We're actually a little over 10,000. I'm a little late to this video. Regardless, thank you to everyone who subscribed, everyone who watches the videos, who just enjoys them, who likes the cars. You guys don't even have to like me. Just, if you like the cars, I'll be happy. That's all I really care about. And also a huge thank you to all the companies that have supported me from the very beginning. Companies like Burger Tuning, Keys Motorsports, Inline 6 Auto, Mashimaro, and Apex Wheels, and so many others. And another company that's been supporting me for a while now is Simply Carbon Fiber. So if you guys aren't familiar with Simply Carbon Fiber, they make a whole bunch of carbon fiber accessories like this wallet over here. I'm sure you guys have seen it a lot of times if you've been watching my channel. I legit use this thing because it's so small, so sleek. It can hold up to 7 cards. It has a money clip on the back for your cash, or lack thereof if you're me. And right now they're having an anniversary sale where you guys can get 30% off on their store. So go check it out, go support them like they've been supporting me. Get yourself a cool wallet like this made out of carbon fiber, or maybe some sunglasses, a watch, or anything like that. The products are already fairly priced, and this sale just makes it that much better. So go check them out, guys. I promise you'll like it. So again, huge shout out and thank you to Simply Carbon Fiber for honestly helping me out and staying by my channel and being with me for so long. And again, thank you to all the other companies that have been supporting me and believed in my channel, even when sometimes I didn't. All right, so enough of the sentimental stuff. Let's get into the real exciting stuff. I'm sure you guys have probably noticed already, if I didn't spoil it in the intro and the title, I'm in a new location. This is not where I usually film. I'm sure you guys can, I mean, it's all white fences around me right now, but I bought a new house. That means I have a new garage, a new driveway, and a new place to film and work on the cars and hang out with friends, honestly. So now let me just address something. You guys can already see the garage over here. It is a 1-car garage. I know, guys. Just as a friendly reminder, I live here in New York City. So, you know, 2-car garages and 3-car garages just aren't that common. I know I get a lot of comments, people saying like, oh, you have a $100,000 G80 M3, but then your house is tiny. Well, that's just New York. It's not like I'm buying a $200,000 house and a $100,000 car. I don't even want to tell you guys how much this house was. That's just New York real estate. That's just how it is. We pay to be close to Manhattan, to have this certain like lifestyle. We don't pay for big houses, if that makes sense. But this isn't a real estate channel, so we're not going to get into all of that. Anyways, with that said, I want to give you guys a tour of this new place, kind of get you guys familiar with it, because I'm going to be working a lot here. I'm going to be filming here. So with that said, I'm going to switch to the GoPro, so that way we can get a more like wide angle view of all this, and I'll walk you guys around and give you a tour of the new setup. This is not my dream setup, if I'm being totally honest with you guys. There's a reason why I bought this house, more of like an investment property, but again, not a real estate channel. We're not going to get into it. Also, G80's looking good. If you guys are new to the channel, you haven't seen this car before. 2023 G80 M3 competition, whole bunch of Keys Carbon. Shout out to Keys Motorsports on this car. Anyways, let's get into the house. So as you guys can obviously tell, this is the main driveway. This is where I'm going to be probably working most of the time. We do have a good amount of space, which is nice. Like I can walk around the car, no problem. There's my tripod from before, and we can easily work on the car. So that's nice. Before I had a very narrow driveway. This way now I have plenty of space to go around the car and work. It is pretty flat, which is nice, and something I'm really, really happy about. Look at the entrance. Nice and smooth. Unlike my last place, it was an absolute nightmare to get in and out of that driveway, and it kind of made me hesitant in lowering my cars and putting front lips. But now I have more than enough space, and it's super easy to get in and out of this thing. The garage is over here. Like I said, it is a 1-car garage. Also, before I open it, keep in mind, guys, I moved in like a week ago, and this thing definitely needs some cleaning. I have a whole bunch of trash in here, but I'm gonna be working on this thing and I'm gonna make it a lot nicer. So yeah, you guys can see I have a whole bunch of boxes everywhere. Some are cooler than others. This is actually a home gym. Not sure if you guys are into working out like I am, but that's a home gym. So probably gonna set that up in the garage. If I just crawl over all this stuff. Like I said, guys, it's a one-car garage, but I can at least store some stuff in here. I'm actually gonna have a workbench over there. I'm gonna have some shelves over there. There's my workbench. I didn't get to build it yet, but if I can quickly show you guys, check that out. Not sure if you can see it, but I'll put this together. I'll show you guys the finished product. And then, yeah, these shelves are left over from the previous owner. Gotta get rid of those, put some nicer ones. Gonna get rid of all this stuff here. Gonna clear all this out. The floor isn't bad, it's at least level, but I am gonna get a nicer floor. I actually have that coming in the mail. It's like those tiles or whatever you call it. There's some holes in the wall. That's all work in progress. So I'm gonna transform this entire place. I can definitely fit the M3 in here. It's wide enough to fit a car and still be able to work on it. It's gonna be tight, but it is doable. But I'm still in the process of moving and getting everything set up. So, you know, it's an absolute mess right now. So we're gonna clear all this out and we're gonna transform it again. Floors, walls, lighting, workbench, shelves. It's gonna be way better. This isn't really gonna be where I mainly film, I would say, but I am gonna set it up so it's someplace nice to store the M3 and, you know, it just looks overall better when I am filming here. But this is probably where I'm mainly gonna be filming. And now another area I wanna show you guys. So like I showed you guys, we have the driveway and then we have the garage over there. If you guys notice, there's some gates over here. So behind these gates, we have a whole bunch more space. Now, if I can quickly give you an idea of how big this space is, it's pretty big, guys. I'm 6'2", so those aren't small strides. Like, I can literally fit one car here and one car next to it. So pretty cool. I might be storing the car in here sometimes, depending. And I was also thinking about getting a carport and just setting it up over here. So it's pretty cool. We have the main driveway over there. We have the garage, which, by the way, there's a door to it. Also shed, more storage, but you can access the garage through here, which would be really cool because if you're working on a car over here, you can quickly get to the garage, get to the workbench and the shelves and all that, and then come back out over here and continue working on your car. It is also nice because it's completely enclosed, so you have more than enough space. Now, if you're wondering why don't I expand the garage, because that would be cool. If you expand the garage and make it a 2-car garage, it's just not worth it, guys. Like, this is not my forever home. It's not a house I'm gonna be staying in long term. So, you know, keeping it more of an investment property, not putting too much money into it. But yeah, definitely really cool. I can definitely see myself hanging out with like Sticks and Mike and Justin and all of us, just like maybe I get like a table over there and we all just hang out and you know, work on the cars and whatever. Now, working our way back to the garage real quick, let me know, would you guys like to see the garage transformation? Not the cleanup part, I'm not gonna film all that, but I mean just really in terms of like transforming the floors, the walls, the lighting, building the workbench. Do you guys wanna see that? I personally think it would be cool, but if you guys think that's gonna be too boring, you know, just let me know. So I know that was a quick tour, but you know, there's not really much that I can show you guys. Again, I just wanted to make this quick video to thank you guys, one, for the 10,000 subscribers, and then to also update you guys on the new locations. So that way, if you see me filming videos here, you know what's going on. I might still film in some old locations, but you know, most of my videos are gonna be filmed here. Let me know what you guys think about me filming the garage transformation. I know it's not a dream garage. Obviously, things are just different here in New York, and you know, the real estate market's just different. If you guys have any ideas on how I can best utilize the space that I have, obviously the very limited space, whether it's the driveway or the garage, let me know down in the comments below. Maybe you guys have a 1-car garage and maybe you have ideas. Just let me know. But anyways, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. The next one, hopefully about a car. Anyways, peace.